First question for team Egypt. Mention the name of a surah that begins with the word Wayl. Is it Al-Ma'un, Mutaffifin, Al-Ma'idah, or Al-Mu'minun? Start the clock, please.
Number 2, Mutaffifin.
Number 2, Al-Mutaffifin. Do you know the verse itself?
Yeah,
The first?
Wayl al-Mutaffifin.
Excellent, excellent. And what does that mean? Do you know?
Yeah. Wayl is a kind of valley in the hellfire.
Yes.
It will be made for people who are not fair and putting the scale or
imbalance. So people who are cheating and imbalancing, this Wayl is for them a special place in the hellfire. So this is a quite big warning for all of us generally, and especially for people who are constantly cheating and doing imbalances. That is the correct answer. So you walk away with 3 points. Very well done. They are putting the pressure on you guys every time. World